097 hit different.
Great shit. Great job, Chilla Jones.
Boy, shout out.
You're a legend, nigga. You know that. Seven did his thing.
We need to think of everybody.
Everybody was fire. We need to was fire. Was fucking fire. Crazy. Like, yo,
Appreciate that.
everybody, man.
Yeah, man.
Yo.
Appreciate it.
Yo.
Yeah, man. It's definitely the energy, man.
Family reunion right here.
Y'all ready?
Battle rap family reunion.
Everybody say welfare.
Welfare.
Boiler room.
That's a fact.
Where you think you get welfare from?
I don't know. Is this how the...
Right.
Oh, shit. Everybody just move.
Right.
Yeah.
Hey, wait a minute.
Watch the lights.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Boiler room.
Boiler room, bitch.
Alright.
You good?
Yeah.
Appreciate everybody.
Hey, wait a minute, man. Real quick.
My man V. Cool Breeze in the house,
Man, what's up?
What's going down?
Tell them that the jig is up. Cause
You got the victory tonight. You got the
I
victory
say-
tonight. Judge battle.
I say tell them that the gig is up. You could be Mr. Put It on the floor, but I'm Mr. Pick 'em up. Cooler than a fan circulating. Crank your dose up. You know that it's no lives matter, and I give no fucks. St. Louis, man. Shit, tap in, man. Light skin TV, man. Hey.
It's pressure. It was a great battle, bro.
I got that motherfucker win. You heard me?
Yeah, hey, it was judge, man.
Win, man. You heard me? I can't complain. You heard me? Blessings like this, you know, blessings and whatnot. You heard me like that. Some, you know, that some shit did go down like straight off in that battle and shit.
I saw that, yeah. It was,
know?
he made a reference, you know what I mean?
Shout out, Mama.
Shout out Mama
You heard?
Love, you know what I mean?
Shout out, Mama.
And in true karma sense, he choked after that. It is what it is, you know what I mean? But yeah, but y'all dapped it up after it was mad love, you know what I mean? Y'all got an understanding afterwards.
I had to
Tight
keep
battle
shit.
though, close
You heard
battle.
me? Definitely was. You heard me? You heard me? Like definitely was. Like that. I sure they gonna shit on them and shit. You heard me? Like that mother showed up like full like his first look going and shit.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, book the nigga.
Did
man.
his thing.
Book the nigga, man.
I
But
see
me,
you added his twin in a whole lot
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
That was smart.
Yeah.
That was offense by being defense at the same time.
That mother want to be like the new, you know, mother want to be the new side bot. When you get like where I'm going, new side bot. They always want to say that them two straight is one. So, okay, all right.
Yeah. Type
Cause
shit.
even like his brother even had like, hey, you know that he had a reference to it.
He did, yeah.
Talking about that, I'ma shoot the breeze. Oh yeah.
I didn't catch that in the battle. Oh, he did, didn't
You
he?
heard me talking about
Okay.
that, I'ma shoot the breeze. I said, oh yeah. Well, once the rule go wrong, I'm your brother's keeper.
That's where that
Give
came
a
in.
fuck if
Okay.
he. I say I give
All
a
right.
fuck if.
That adds context to it now.
I
Yeah.
say I give a fuck if your brother tag along, cause he'll get snagged for the feature.
Yeah.
Set it off in this bitch, like they ended for Queen Latifah.
Tifa, yeah. Yeah. That's
I
what it
say,
was.
think I give a fuck? I say, think I give a fuck about what you building? That shit'll get renovated. It's the breeze, nigga, and I cut off your ventilation.
Save it for YouTube. Let these people see. You won't give them your whole round.
Hey.
Get it to your social media though.
V.Cool Breeze, damn near everywhere. Everywhere except like motherfucking Instagram. Like that. My Instagram is V_stay rolling. You know that. That's with the IN and with the motherfucking underline. After
Underscore
V, you
joint,
heard me?
after V,
Like the
okay.
underscore.
Got you, man.
Drinking, man.
V.Cool Breeze, great battle. You got
You
the
heard me?
victory, man. Judges, they gave it to you, brother.
That they gave it to me,
You did
man.
your shit.
St. Louis, there. We
Definitely,
got
man.
another one, you heard me?
We got
Shout
Banks
out.
next week. He got a big joint.
Y'all know what time it is.
Tell me who you
Thanks
got,
to
bro.
God. versus Clean Paper,
Clean
OSBL
Paper.
Atlanta. Hey, if you hear,
OSBL
pull
got
up,
an Atlanta
man.
chapter now.
Pull
It's
up,
going
man.
down.
OSBL Atlanta, Banks the God versus Clean Paper. I'm finna smoke the
Heard some of that
nigga.
material. I hope clean. If you be there clean, you gotta come ready,
better
man.
come rap, man.
This brother ready right here. I heard
man.
this shit. Ooh-wee.
Fuck that boy up. It's
going down, bro.
Clean my dog too. I'm finna fuck you up.
It is what it is. It's competition. That's what it is. Definitely, man. Appreciate Chilla Jones coming
Oh
through.
yeah, most definitely.
Definitely, man. Taking pictures, you know what I mean? Hugging babies and shit.
I'm pulling up at Apollo event too. I'll be
You gonna be at the joint?
Apollo event. Hell yeah.
Okay.
And I'll be back out here for the one night stand event too. I'm pulling up to the one night stand joint too.
So the one night stand joint, is it the night? I think the night before Hip Hop is Real having a joint at Industry ATL.
I know one night stand on the 5th.
On the
April
5th. I think they trying to slide one in on the 4th. I
Hip
think
Hop is Real.
Hip Hop is Real versus M3, not M3, they just battled. Fuck, what team they battled?
That'll be fire though.
Is it the Riot? The Riot. The Riot.
That's gonna be fire though. The Riot
Geechee
versus
bringing
Hip
them-
Hop
his
is
team
Real.
down,
That'll be
yeah,
fire.
yeah.
Hey, you might not know this, but you the reason I started off with what I started off with. That wasn't my original first line. That's
What you said? What you
I
said?
told him, I'm like, I heard you did your homework.
Ah, okay, yeah,
I
okay.
told him, bitch, it ain't no course for
Thanks
me.
for the promo,
But I
yeah.
let him know it ain't no course for me, though.
Right,
No matter
right,
what
right,
you think, It ain't no
right.
course
You
for me.
did say that shit.
Started right over
That went over my head,
That
yeah.
came from you. I wasn't gonna start with
Ah,
that.
okay,
But
okay.
till you said that.
It worked
I
for
didn't
you
know he
though.
did his homework.
The shit worked for you.
No, see, he fucked up when he tried to call me a bum.
He did.
That's
It,
where he fucked
it
up
backfired.
at. Yes.
It backfired
Because
bad
you're
on him.
lying. Like,
Facts.
That's like you lying. Like you blatantly lying at that. Like, brother.
Definitely. It worked out. It worked out.
Yeah.
Shout out to Chilla Jones for coming
Facts.
through, hosting.
Yeah, we
Good
out here.
Great
people,
is
man.
great
Shit,
host.
man.
Atlanta
I'll be back
Miles.
too. I'll be
Yeah.
back too for the
King
yeah.
and shit.
That's what's up.
be
What's
back
up? We need that. We need that. Barbara in the house. See, I like this. With two female battle rappers network, I like that shit right there. I like that. Great battle, bro. Definitely, man. And you took it back to the essence, outdoors, outside where it started, man.
Everything worked out for
You know, it did. It did. It's cooler out here anyway. You know what I mean? We might have had better lighting out here, for real. They had to take up the Michael Jackson floors, so yeah, we had to. Yeah, it worked out well, man.
It was a dope event.
How you feel like your opponent did?
He was cool. Yeah, but I got that.
You got it.
Yeah, I got that.
I like that, man. Got that pen, man. That pen mean everything, man. With the performance, but yeah, but you 70% pen. Nah, but that's important, bro. What we listening to? We didn't come to see you do cartwheels. You know what I mean? We came to hear you rap. You know what I mean? Ness in the house, man. Appreciate it. Get them y'all social media, bro.
Oh man, New Era Spill on everything. Y'all hit me up. Y'all follow me. Y'all follow back. Some like good shit coming.
Great shit, bro. Appreciate you, bro. All right, brother, man. Yeah, we about to get out here. Everybody travel safe. Everybody travel safe.
Y'all be safe, baby. All right. Birmingham.
245, travel safe, bro. Definitely, man. Yes, sir. Banks.